carry on with this. Have a great day.
Alright, you too.
See ya. So we're back at, I'll put you up so you can see better. We're back here at Smash Palace, famous car graveyard in New Zealand. If you spin around, you can actually see all the different old wrecks of the bus here. Probably get tied under on this. All sorts of old cars here though. Good old Jaguars, good old Rovers here. Got a lot of Mercedes to see. Let's keep walking around though. Got Saturday Boy here as well. It's going to take my time and go as fast as I can. Hopefully it records sweet. Hopefully my phone doesn't die. An old Jeep Cherokee there. Much nicer day for it too. I'm going to put this in my pocket so I can hopefully film. Okay, put it in my pocket. Oh, hopefully it's in my pocket. Okay, let's get you guys going. So you say we've done that part, not in 360. If you want to see not in 360, check out Saturday Boy NZ. He's doing a non-360 version of this. I just wanted to come here and do a 360 of it. I'll come up here so you can see better. I hope this records okay. If you scroll, if you use your finger on your on a mobile, you can use your finger to move around the you'll move your screen around. If you're on a PC, you can use your mouse to move around. Or arrows up in the corner, should be arrows up in the corner. If you're on TV, I think you can use your remote to move around. Otherwise, enjoy the show. Enjoy the video. We shall continue. Looks like 8 acres, I believe, of old cars, old classic cars rustling away. It's quite impressive. There is a small portion I did that wasn't 360 you might enjoy. Some close-ups. Otherwise, take time, you can look around as you wish. You might see a car you liked and want to go back and look at it. Use 360 to spin around. Take your time and have a good look. I'll take my time and walk around as quickly, as slowly as I can. Range Rover here. Here you got some minis. Good old classic minis. Try and put you up at first so you can actually see. Hope this comes out okay because I've not had very good luck with my 360s lately. And I'll leave you up there. Got A130, A30. Might have been an old race car. Looks like an old van. It's old vans, there's cars, there's trucks, there's all sorts of things there. The place is pretty big. Inside here, you can actually buy parts. Looks like an old truck here. I don't know if you can see this truck next to me. Scroll down, look at that. It's a beast. I'm getting wet, folks, I got a hole in my shoe. So it started in the 1940s. He cleared the land. Started as a mechanic shop, repair shop, like parts and things like that. And he didn't want to scrap, didn't believe in scrapping the cars. So he'd take the parts off he needed. And then he'll just put the cars like this, park on the paddock. And over the years, he died in 1987, so it's about 40 years. 47 years or so. He had this place when he was alive and he's kept stockpiling cars up of all sorts, all old cars. Pretty impressive, isn't it? It's really impressive. There's also an old sawmill here, you can see, which will show you, and I won't do 360 of that, so I'll do 360 of this right here. You might even be able to see some of the cars if you scroll down. And look over here, there's old doors. You can actually buy hoods, grills, sun visors, lights, indicators, chrome bumpers, everything you need for a classic car you can buy from this place. If you come here, it costs you $10 each person for an adult and $5 for a child. You come walk around and you can take your time. I reckon it'll take you about 2 hours to walk around here. Look at this car in front of me. That is pretty cool. Sort of amazing chrome grille. So you also see the trees and you can look at the clouds. So here for a second to look around. It's pretty impressive here. There's a lot to look at. Oh, almost tripped over. Being winter, it's kind of cold and kind of wet. I just hope this thing's filming okay. It's not. So I don't think it is. Oh my god, you're kidding. Okay, it is sweet. I was giving it right there. Let's say it's not recording. That'll be a bugger, wouldn't it? Look at our motor. Look over here, there's our motor, and you see still see the old fan. Nature's slowly coming back. I was talking to a gentleman before I started recording. He came here about 40 years ago and it wasn't this part. So I stand up here. Take a look at that. Spin around. Enjoy the view. I don't know what that is, but that's old and that's rusty. If you like, it's like rust porn, isn't it? If you like a rust in old classic cars. It's like classic car rust porn. To some. Okay, let's carry on. Hoping with on PC I can actually edit this video better. In front of me you see like old hoods. I don't know what you call America, I guess it's still called hoods. That car there, that is really old. I see a lot of old Mercedes and things here. I think I have to turn around and go back the other way. I don't know what the car there is, but it's pretty awesome. I see old Valiants, a lot of Morris Miners, old Morrises. Oh, Steady Boy, let's see somewhere. And Paul and Rod. I don't even know a lot of these cars are there, like way before my time. What's this say? A Wolseley 2480. I don't know what that means, but that's pretty awesome. You can actually still see inside some of these. Okay, no you can't, not these. Awkward moment when you realise you actually can't. I'm trying to figure out my way back, see how I get here. We'll go this way. Oh, let's go. What's left of it? Only problem with 360s, I know some of you don't like 360s, but if you give them a chance, they actually are really amazing. It gives you like a whole new perspective of exploring or just seeing things. You're not confined to only what I look at. You're confined by your own imagination. You can go where your eyes go and you can look at whatever you want to. This guy is just sitting there. I go through this little gap. This guy here had an old spare one back then. An old back shed back here. Oopsie. Oh, and it's stuck on a blackberry. Looks like on another Morris. It's cool seeing nature coming back as well. Nature's slowly taking back over a lot of these cars. You can still see the old upholstery of this car here. What it would look like in its day. You can almost imagine what they were like brand new. This guy here might have been like an old Holden or Falcon or something. Not sure. Oh, bollocks, my shirt is undone. I keep going to the places where like you can't actually just try to walk around. See inside this car? Can you see inside this one? I'll bring you down. Okay, look at the steering wheel, look at the dashboard. It's an old Chevrolet. It's wicked. It's still got the old clock on there. The speedo, 100 miles. That is really impressive. Okay, we'll go this way. Let's go this way. V-dubs, looks like V-dubs or those more Morrises. Someone's house over there. Alrighty, let's go this way. Oh, look, there's old pedal vans here. Look at these, old pedal vans. My dad used to own one of these, Morris Minor terrible things to drive, I'm gonna lie. I mean, these are a horrible drive. I drove one from New Plymouth to Wellington with my stepmom and pick up my sister. No power steering, that thing was a tank. You hear in the background, you can hear the wind and the trees and the creek down here. This one here is wooden, that's how old this one here is. It's got a wooden back on it, look at that. It's actually wooden, this one here is really old. It's the early 1900s. That is pretty cool, man. That is so, down there you can hear the rivers running. Got an old shed up here. Oopsie days, I'm stuck in Blackberry. Even an old trailer. And what's this thing here? This looks like, if you point down, looks like an old oil can. That is really actually epic. Oh, mobile oil can. You look at a bit of nature waste in here. I stand here for a second, you can look around in nature. Enjoy taking the sounds of the river, the wind and the birds. Cold mountain water flows. Up here we've got an old shed. What is in this shed? Get your torch out, so you can see. I don't know if you can see in there. Oh, where's my torch? Trying to find my torch. Oh, so much stuff in my pockets. Bollocks. Oh my god, there's so much stuff in it. Did I even bring my torch? Yeah, here it is. Hang on guys, let me unhook this for a second. Ugh. What is in this green bag, you say, is my torch. An SD card and USB stick. Okay. Okay, you actually don't need this torch, it's already going to help. Small parts, there's old building there. It's old shed. More parts in here, it's just full of parts, there's parts everywhere. There's so much parts. Okay, we're going to carry on this way. Small people walk around everywhere too. There's a lot of people look around here today, which is pretty cool, it's pretty impressive. See, this camera actually is still recording for you. It might not even be recording. Oh yeah, 13 minutes, there you go. 13 minutes so far. Another Olsley. This one here, Oldsmobile. I believe that's what it said. Oh, look at this. Good old Vauxhall. I remember these when I was younger. They were a tank. Bring you down so you can look in this one. Whoopsie, can you see? Got a Cresta. You can see the old upholstery and everything in there? That is pretty wicked in there. It's got the old radio. The old window of a switch. Looked like it was column change. Let's carry on. I believe what you're looking at ahead of you, the big shed, might be this old sawmill. So when we were coming back in today, the lady, she was saying she used to help her father run a sawmill when she was a kid. No kids, they would actually come here and use they'd do all the work for help their father out. They'd put the logs on, put the logs off the trucks, put them into the sawmill. Out there you can see Rod and Paul. Is that the sawmill there? Oh, okay. Oh, I see. Oh, I gotcha. Okay. So if you have a look around here, you can actually see all the rusty cars just sitting there. All sorts of makes and models and years and stuff. Is Sadie Boy and Rod here?
Hey guys.
So over there, the big shed was actually the sawmill, so they'll actually be in a separate video because I've already been there. So it actually goes way around there, like 8 acres or something. I'm saying that'd be the end of it there.
And the side of the road, so it's just a huge place.
This place is massive. Okay, I'll stop this one and I'll pick you up very soon. Where's my phone? Oh, turn it on. I was getting worried for because I was like, it's not recording. Okay, it seems to be okay. Alright, stop there.